delicious, dazzling waffles, ready to rock the summer music festival scene. In a large bowl, combine the flour, salt, baking powder, and sugar. Set aside. In a separate bowl, beat the eggs and then stir in the milk, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Pour the milk mixture into the dry ingredients and mix until well combined. Ladle the batter into the preheated waffle iron and cook until the waffles are golden and crisp. Melt your choice of chocolate and combine it with food coloring. Once cooked, dip each waffle pop into the melted and colored chocolate. Finally, top with more melted and colored chocolate and sprinkles, and let sit for some minutes to settle.